Hey everyone, welcome back to Brain Shifting, your go-to channel for powerful insights that shift your mindset and improve your life. Today, we're diving into something essential in every relationship: communication. More specifically, 10 barriers to effective communication in relationships and how to overcome them. Whether you're dating, married, or just trying to build better connections, this video is for you. Let's get right into it. 1. Poor listening. Too often, people listen to respond, not to understand. Try to practice active listening, maintain eye contact, put away distractions, and truly focus on what your partner is saying. 2. Assumptions. Jumping to conclusions can cause unnecessary tension. Try to ask clarifying questions instead of assuming. A simple "can you explain what you meant?" can go a long way. 3. Lack of emotional awareness. If you're unaware of your own emotions, it's hard to express them clearly. Do this instead. Take a pause before speaking. Identify your feelings and use I statements, like "I feel hurt" instead of "you always hurt me." 4. Interrupting. Cutting your partner off mid-sentence signals disrespect and frustration. Calmly wait until they finish speaking. Respect the flow of conversation. It's not a competition. 5. Using blame language. Saying things like "you never" or "you always" puts your partner on the defensive. Try to focus on how things affect you. Say, "I feel ignored" when instead of blaming. 6. Fear of vulnerability. Many people hold back to avoid being judged or hurt. But you see, trust is built through vulnerability. Start small, open up gradually, and you'll create a safe space for honesty.
7. Different communication styles. One partner may be direct, while the other avoids confrontation. So, learn each other's styles and find common ground. Compromise is key. Adapt and meet in the middle. 8. Distractions, phones, TV, etc. Trying to talk while distracted leads to misunderstandings. Do this instead. Set time aside to connect. No phones, no screens, just undivided attention. 9. Holding grudges. Bringing up the past during every argument blocks progress. Instead of doing that, resolve issues as they come. Don't carry yesterday's baggage into today's conversation. And finally, number 10, lack of appreciation. When people feel taken for granted, communication shuts down. So express gratitude often. A simple "thank you" or "I appreciate you" can reignite emotional connection and make them feel special. Healthy communication is the foundation of every strong relationship. When we become aware of these barriers and actively work to overcome them, we create space for deeper understanding and stronger connections. If you found value in today's video, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. What's one communication barrier you've faced in your relationship? Thanks for watching Brain Shifting. And remember, small shifts create big changes. See you in the next one.